Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video, guys. Today I'll be showing you how do I plant, or how do you plant tomatoes from the seeds, actually from the scratch. So guys, what you need a tomato, then we'll be cutting it into slices. I'll be showing you step by step, guys. So if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started, guys. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with slicing my tomatoes, so I'll be preparing the pots where I'll be planting them. Actually, it will be acting as a nursery bed. Yeah, so get ready and let me just show you how do I prepare my soil in my pots, guys. I'm done with preparing my pots where I'm going to be putting the tomatoes. Then I'll cover them with the soil, I'll water them, then I'll be checking on them every 2 days. So let's add our tomatoes. So far that's how we are. Let me just cover it with soil, then I'll be watering them, then I'll leave it to do its own thing and then I'll get back to you after 5 days. So guys, I will be covering my tomatoes with the soil. I got organic soil. Make sure you don't cover that much. So guys, once I'm done, I'll be watering my tomato. So I got this bottle of water, then I added some holes on top. So I'll be watering my tomatoes just like that, and I will be doing this until when the tomatoes they come out. So this is like my nursery bed. Then once they grow up, I will be transplanting them. Okay, see you back. So guys, I will be leaving my seedlings here, then I can't wait to see when they are growing. I'll be giving you an update every 3 to 4 days. This is day 11. As you can see, my tomatoes, they have started to pop out. Let me just move a little bit closer. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I was a little bit scared. I say, oh my god, are they dead or not? Yeah, they are popping out. I hope you can see this one. There's this big one too. Yeah, let's wait at the end of 2 weeks, then I'll be giving you the update. So guys, as you can see, this is how my tomatoes they have grown after almost 25 days. Check out how they are progressing, and I can't wait to transplant them. So I do water them every other day, and they are growing, guys. So I can't wait to give you the update. Hi guys, so this is how far I have gone with my tomatoes. I transplanted them, guys. They were too thin, so I think they were too much packed. That's when I decided to transplant them. So this is after a week. Check out how they are growing, and I think they are getting also the second leaves. Check out. Oh my god, so they were too much packed, so I decided to transplant them. I have some of them which are still growing, and these they are turning a little bit yellow. I don't know why. Yeah, this is how far we've gone. And also, yes, they're a little bit yellow. I don't know exactly, or because I transferred them when they were still thin. But I can't wait to come back with the next results, the progress. Check out. And I still have some seedlings which are still coming out. Yeah, as you can see, I transplanted my tomatoes. As you can see, this is how far they look like. Actually, I did this yesterday, 2nd of June. Check out how they look like. And I do have the last one in the corner. I can't wait to come back with the final results after 20 days. So stay tuned. So guys, this is how far we have gone after a week of transplanting my tomatoes. Check out how they are growing, guys. And I can't wait. I know I'm a little bit late, but at least I've experienced how it is done. Check out how far we have gone. They are all growing, guys. Yeah, I can't wait to show you when they have started to bear the real tomatoes, guys.